Good evening, this is Ankita Singh, and you are watching the 9 p.m. bulletin on Channel 6 Network. Let's begin with the top stories of the hour. BJP's Parvesh Verma has thrown down the gauntlet to Arvind Kejriwal in the upcoming Delhi Assembly elections. Verma, named as the BJP candidate for the New Delhi constituency, challenged the AAP chief, stating, "Hope he doesn't run away from the contest." Meanwhile, BJP has announced its candidates for key constituencies, including Dushyant Gautam in Karol Bagh, Manjinder Singh Sirsa in Rajouri Garden, Kailash Gehlot in Bijwasan, and Arvinder Singh Lovely in Gandhi Nagar. The Delhi Assembly election is shaping up to be a fierce battleground for political dominance in the capital. In Jammu and Kashmir's Bandipora, 2 soldiers lost their lives and 3 others sustained injuries after an army vehicle skidded off the road and plunged into a gorge near Wular viewpoint. The injured were rushed to the Bandipora district hospital, and 3 critically injured soldiers have been shifted to Srinagar. Adverse weather, including thick fog and a cold wave, continues to grip the valley. The Meteorological Department has issued a yellow alert for Saturday and an orange alert for Sunday, warning of heavy snowfall and potential disruptions in transportation. Officials have urged residents to avoid unnecessary travel. A new study has revealed that climate policies could significantly impact food prices in poorer nations by 2050. While these policies may create short-term challenges, the study emphasizes their necessity for the long-term sustainability of agriculture and food systems amidst the ongoing climate crisis. In Odisha, the state government has announced a financial aid package of 291.59 crore rupees for farmers affected by unseasonal rains. This announcement follows farmer protests over paddy procurement irregularities and the tragic deaths of 7 farmers in the past week, including suicides and cardiac arrests. 4 suspects have been arrested for the brutal murder of a farm worker on the Dakshin Express. The train was delayed for 90 minutes at Nagpur for legal procedures, including forensic evidence collection. Central Railway officials have announced an ex gratia compensation of 1.5 lakh rupees for the victim's family as investigations continue. AAP leader Arvind Kejriwal has vowed to waive inflated water bills if his party secures victory in the Delhi Assembly elections. The elections are likely to take place in February 2024, as the current term ends on 23 February. 2 individuals have been arrested in connection with the murder of Sarpanch Santosh Deshmukh over an extortion plot. The suspects are now in CID custody, and Deputy Superintendent of Police Anil Guzar is leading the investigation. Meanwhile, Karad, another suspect in the case, remains in custody after surrendering on 31 December. In Manipur, Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge has accused the BJP of fueling the ongoing crisis in the state. This follows a fresh clash in Kangpokpi, where a police officer was injured amid an economic blockade by the Kukizo Council, which is demanding the withdrawal of central forces from the region. Dense fog continues to disrupt daily life in Delhi, severely affecting airport and railway operations. Residents and travelers in the capital are also battling deteriorating air quality, adding to their woes. Finally, BJP has announced its first list of candidates for the Delhi Assembly elections, with Parvesh Verma set to take on Arvind Kejriwal in the New Delhi constituency. As the election date approaches, the political atmosphere in the capital grows increasingly intense. That's all for tonight. Stay tuned for more updates, and thank you for watching Channel 6 Network. Good night.